What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the iPhone 12 Pro Max into the OtterBox Defender Series case. Welcome back and let's get straight into it. So first off we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max on the left and the OtterBox Defender Series case here on the right. First we'll go ahead and remove the included belt holster, which by the way is very useful. I'll show you why in a minute. Now you can get a better look at just how the case itself looks. Next up, go ahead and grab a credit card or something similar in size and place it right in between the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone and the inner polycarbonate shell. Next, make your way around the entire case, removing that outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. Next, on the back of the inner polycarbonate shell, you'll see some specific arrows, and those locations are where you're going to need to pop the case apart at. Now you could use a butter knife or maybe a small flathead screwdriver. However, I'm going to go ahead and just use my fingernail. So I'll go ahead and pop off the first section on top, followed by the side section and then the bottom right section. We'll move over to the bottom left section, and as you can see, after doing so, the case will pop apart. So this is how the pieces should look so far. Next, place the iPhone 12 Pro Max into the back section of the case. After you've done so, go ahead and place the front section of the case onto the back section of the case that's holding the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Next, make your way around the entire case, ensuring that it's properly snapped together. And I do recommend going around the entire case a second time just to double check. Next, go ahead and grab the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone and place the inner polycarbonate shell with the iPhone 12 Pro Max into it. Now once you do so, you will be able to insert that shock absorbing silicone into the groove provided by the inner polycarbonate shell. On the back you can see we have a generous cutout for the new camera system as well as the new LiDAR scanner. On the right side our power sleep wake button is protected, and on the left side our mute switch is protected as well as our volume up and down buttons. On the bottom we have cutouts for both speaker grills, and the lightning port is also protected. Now that we've installed the iPhone 12 Pro Max into the OtterBox Defender Series case, there's just one last thing to do, and that is to reattach the included belt clip. Now the belt clip does double as a screen protector when your device is not in use. It also has a 360-degree rotating belt clip that also doubles as a stand for multimedia consumption. Be sure to drop a like rating down below and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.